A quick update on VeChain here. So looking on the monthly macro chart, just to keep things real simple, low to the high, we're holding the trend. We're over the 786 here. So I just wanted to point that out really quick. And then you can see from the high here to the low, we are right over the, or right at the 236. So we just tagged the macro point 0.5 at 2.1, and we're trying right now to hold here, but it does look good where it is. If we zoom in on this thing, the rest of the market looks exactly the same right here in this price action. So it looks like the bottom is being put in on VeChain on the macro here once again. So not a bad spot to be buying in my opinion. Not financial advice, of course. And then if that is it and it's going to gun for a higher high, we could come right up above the 786 here and do about a 290% move or so. Up to about 10 pennies would be a good target here. Maybe we come all the way up here to the 786 on the next leg up to 14, and do about a 5.5x up here. So it doesn't look bad. You're holding support, you're holding the trend, not a bad spot to be in. So, of course, comment down below. What are your thoughts? You think this is the macro bottom for VeChain here? You can see that on the macro from the low all the way back here in 2020 to the high in April of 2021. This thing didn't quite tag the 618, but you stayed above. You held the 0.5. You tagged it once more. So the next big stop to get over is going to be the 382 here at about 3.8. I'm going to go ahead and draw a box here from the double 382 area. Once we get over this area, this box here, we're going to turn it, or it is red, and that way we can just get this off. But once we get over that red resistance box, that's when you can be bullish over about 42, 43 cents on the price of VeChain. Breakout confirmed over 8.5, and then that puts in question where is it going to end up in 2025. I think this thing's probably going to come up here around 30 cents, make a slightly higher high. That would give you a 11.5, 12x from where we are today on VeChain. I think that's very fair. If you're extremely bullish on it, maybe it hits this, maybe it doesn't, maybe it's a future price, but the official 1272 up here would give you about a 24x up to 63 cents on VeChain here. So like I said, comment down below your thoughts. Where do you see it ended up? Do you think this is the bottom? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.